Morning, boys and girls. I'm here with my daughter Lindsay. She's in Miss Moore's class. I'm sure a lot of you have seen her around the building. And we are going to do a science experiment for you. Well, actually, we're going to start the science experiment for you today, but you'll have to tune in at the end of the week to see how it turns out. So, I was doing a lot of searching when I was trying to come up with some fun things for you to be doing at home with your families, and I came upon this activity that had to do with vinegar and an egg. And I like that because these were things that we had in our house. So, oh no, we don't want to spoil it.
No, I'm not going to tell what it's called.
No, they can't. If you tell them what it's called, then they're going to know.
Okay.
Keep it a secret. Lindsay knows about the whole thing. Okay, so the directions say to use a tall drinking glass, but I don't really have a really tall drinking glass, but I do have this glass here, which is a mason jar I use for when I do my jelly in June with the strawberries. So I think it's going to work. Lindsay, you want to take out an egg? All right, let's see. So Lindsay is going to show you there's an egg, and it's a brown egg, but that doesn't matter. It could be a white egg, okay? And this egg is not cooked, okay? So I'm trusting that Lindsay's going to be careful when she puts it into the jar. If she's not careful, we will have a really big mess. So Lindsay's going to carefully put it into in the jar. Okay. Success.
I got it! Success!
All right, so show everybody it's in the jar. It's in the jar. Now, there's nothing in the jar except for the egg. Okay, so now we're going to take this. This is called distilled white vinegar. Oh, I got to pull the top off.
Do you want me to do it? Oh my gosh.
Oh,
I got it!
yeah, we got it. Okay, so I just picked up a cup
that smells.
because this is heavy, and I don't want to have to pour from this big jug into that little jar, so I figured I'd pour some into the cup first.
We need enough to cover the egg.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, we need enough to cover the egg. That's right. So Lindsay is
going
to carefully pour it in. Go ahead. Careful, careful. Keep going. Keep going. It has to cover the egg in the jar. There you go. That's perfect.
There's still more in it.
Oh, okay. Well, no. We'll pour that back in more when we're done. Okay. So, I don't know if you heard Lindsay say, that smells really bad right now. And it does, because vinegar has a very strong scent to it.
It's bubbling.
It is starting to bubble. I wonder what those bubbles mean. Don't tell anybody because I know you know. But it's bubbling, and I don't know, you probably can't see that it's bubbling, but maybe you could try this at your house. Now, what we have to do is let this stay just like it is, although I'm not going to keep it on my kitchen table. I'm going to put it on the counter. We're going to leave it like this until tomorrow night at about this same time. Then we're going to change out the vinegar and we're going to put fresh vinegar in the jar. So we hope that it will start to do, and I can already tell because it's bubbling that it's starting to do what it's supposed to be doing. So tune back in. I'll keep you updated. Lindsay and I will return back to our science experiment tomorrow and let you know how it's going. Wow, it's bubbling like crazy. Wow.
That's cool.
It's very cool. I don't know if the boys and girls can see it here. If you put it down, let me see if I can pick it up by the lid. I don't think the lip.
It's like bubble. Mommy, look at the bottom of the egg. It's like,
wow, there's so many bubbles. That's pretty cool.
It kind of looks hairy.
So boys and girls, I know Lindsay always loves doing science experiments at home. Yeah, she's always saying, can I do an experiment? Can I do an experiment? So on the website, under the May-Dos for science this week, there's a link to a place where you can go and find super easy at-home science experiments that you can check out with your parents. If you want to do this one and see what's going on, all you need is an egg. It can be cooked, like hard-boiled, or it can be raw, your choice, and you need a lot of vinegar, because tomorrow when we take this vinegar out, we have to replace it with new vinegar, and we have to let it sit then for 6 whole days. So
I thought it was 24 hours, and every 24 hours you have to change the vinegar.
Oh, I'll have to go back and make sure I read the directions again, okay? All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the start of our science experiment. Remember, You can be a scientist at your house too. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys. What do you want to say?
Bye, everybody.